Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, hope you are fine and safe with your family. Today we discuss a new topic. Yes, please open your EFT book. Unit 3, lesson 1-2. In this topic, you see a picture. You see a picture. If we discuss this topic, you can learn about a family and family members. Yes, we discuss about Shoykat's family. You can also describe about your family. You can also learn what they are doing in their leisure time. Yes, dear. Please open your EFT book. Unit 3, lesson 1-2, Shoykat's family. Here you see in the picture Shoykat's father, Shoykat's mother and Shoykat himself. Before going to the topic, we discuss some new words. Please come to the board. I request you to take your notebook and you must write down these new words and try to memorize it. Please come to the board. The first words. Unit 3, lesson 1-2, Shoykat's family. The first words, enjoy. Enjoy means to receive pleasure or satisfaction for something. To receive pleasure or satisfaction for something. Sew. Sew means to use a needle to pass thread repeatedly through pieces of fabric. Sew. Sew means to use a needle to pass thread repeatedly through pieces of fabric. Often. Often means frequently. Neighbor. Neighbor means person who lives near another. Neighbor, a person who lives near another. Improve. Improve means to make better. Improve, to make better. Watch, the act of observing. Watch means the act of observing. Now we come to the EFT book. Open your EFT book. Now we listen you and I read this passage. Please listen very carefully. Shoykat's family. Shoykat Islam lives with his parents in a flat in Bogura. His father, Mr. Rashidul Islam, is a banker. But in his free time, Mr. Islam writes stories and listens to music. Shoykat's mother is Mrs. Monwar Islam. She is a housewife. In her free time, she enjoys sewing. She makes dresses. She often gets orders from her friends and neighbors. Shoykat is in class 5. He is a good student. He wants to improve his English. So, he watches cartoons on TV every day. She also reads English books. He likes books about animals, especially tigers and lions. So, dear learners, you can understand, if you want to improve your English, you can watch his cartoons, that means English cartoons on TV every day. You also read English books to improve your English. It's a good hints, I think, for you. Now we see activity C, pair work. Ask and answer the questions. Here we find some question. Open your notebook and write down the question in your notebook. The first one. What is Shoiko's father's name? What is Shoiko's father's name? Number 2. What is Shoiko's mother's name? What is Shoiko's mother's name? Number 3. What do his parents? What do his parents do in their free time? Do in their free time. Number 4. What does Shoiko do in his free time? What does Shoiko do in his free time? Number 5. What kind of books does Shoiko like? What kind of books does Shoiko like? See our first question. What is Shoiko's father's name? What is Shoiko's father's name? We know Shoiko's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. Shoiko's father's name is Mr. Rashidul Islam. What is Shoiko's mother's name? Shoiko's mother's name is Mrs. Monwara. Shoiko's mother's name is Mrs. Monwara. What do his parents do in their free time? In this passage, we see Shoiko's father is a banker, but in his free time, he writes stories. He writes stories and listens to music. So his parents, that means his fathers and mothers. So his fathers writes stories and listen to music in his free time, and his mother, that means Shoiko's mother, sewn dresses for her friends and neighbors in her free time. What does Shoiko do in his free time? You know, Shoiko wants to improve his English. So, in his free time, he watches cartoon on TV. He likes English books in his free time. What kind of books does Shoiko like? Shoiko likes animals. Shoiko likes animals, especially tigers and lions. Especially tigers and lions. I think you understand these questions. You must practice these questions again and again. Okay, then you can also improve your English. Now take your homework. Today we discuss about Shoiko's family. That means Shoiko's, his fathers, his mothers, what are they doing in their free time, their likings, etc. I think you can also describe about your family members. Okay, so today our homework discuss no this write something about your family. Write something about your family. Before going to the homework, you must read this passage again and again. Then you can get an idea and you write about your family and family members. I think you do this very carefully and nicely. See you in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.